Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can create a Shopify store for free. So if you haven't heard about Shopify, Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create their own online stores to sell products or services. It provides all the tools needed to set up and manage an online store, including the customizable templates, payment processing, inventory management, and marketing tools. So Shopify is user friendly, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced sellers, and it supports businesses of all sizes from small startups to large enterprises. Now, to get started, to create an account on Shopify, go to shopify.com. And then from here, as you can see on their page, Shopify offers a 3-day free trial to get started. So no credit card is required upfront, which is great because you can test out the platform without any commitment. So here, if you're a beginner, just need to click on the Start Free Trial button right there at the top right-hand corner of your screen. So the first thing you'll want to do is fill out the necessary information about your store. So basically just have to answer all the simple questions here. So first up, you're gonna click on I'm just starting and then click on next. So where would you like to sell? So you want to select here, for example, online store, online marketplaces, and then once you've done, just click on next button. So as you can see, Shopify will ask you a few questions like about your businesses, where your business is located, as you can see here, and what you plan to sell, right? So you just have to follow all the instructions here. Now, once you've done, click on next. Now, finally here, you just have to sign up with your account. So basically, you can sign up with email, Apple, Facebook, or Google. So in this case, I'm going to click on sign up with Google. Now, once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard. So as you can see right from here, so you will find this interface on the left panel. You will find home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, and discount. And you will also find the sales channels like online store and point of sale. Now, what we're going to do here is basically select a plan. So if we're going to click on the select a plan button, so right here at the top of your screen, and here you can pick your plan, either basic, Shopify, advanced, or plus. And as you can see, there are on a promo $1 per month for first month, as you can see. So here you will find all the benefits that you can get depending on the plan that you're going to use. So you just need to be familiarized with the plan right here so you can select the best plan that fits for your needs. Now, the next step that we can do is to set up your product. All right, so once you've just selected your plan, you can now go to the next step is by going to adding your products. All right, so as you can see, you find products to sell, you can browse product sourcing, and then you can basically add your products right here, manage your digital products if you have, and then also here you can manage your services, you can sell online or store settings, right? So we're going to click on the add your first product and then click on add product button. So if you want to add your product, you just have to complete all the details, the title, the description, the you can upload the media, the image or video, the pricing, shipping methods, and the variants. So make sure that you enter the correct information about your product. And once done, just have to click on save button. So here, as you can see, you will find all the products that you have just added. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to customize our themes. So this is very crucial and important for your Shopify store to create your own online store using these themes. So if you're going to click on the customize button, as you can see here, you'll now go to the editor here you can basically manage and customize your theme. You can also add theme or go and visit theme store. So you can basically select any theme that fits your branding according to your preference. So Shopify themes built for commerce. So just click on explore themes. So just explore themes here, and then you can customize according to your preference. So as you can see, there are themes that are free, and some themes are need to purchase or buy, so you can get the full access. All right, so from here, if you're going to scroll down, you'll find different themes. So you just need to find any e-commerce. If you're going to create an e-commerce website, a simple store or profile, so you can basically select any of the themes right here. So for this example, I'm going to click this taste, then click on try theme button. So adding taste to your online store themes. So as you can see, you just have to wait until it's done uploading to your online store. All right. So if you're going to scroll down here, you'll find your theme library. So these themes are only visible to you, and you can switch to another theme to or by publishing it to your store. So basically you can have a multiple theme right here. So you can basically switch on any theme that you want. So if you want to customize it, click on customize. Now here on the theme editor, you can basically edit and customize your own Shopify store. So you can basically add some templates, you can add some header, footer, or you can add some buttons. You can change the text, you can change the text styles, you can change the color, or you can change the branding. So depending on your preference and according to your branding, so you can just manage your own store. Right, so once you've done creating and managing your store here, so go back. Now the next step that we can do here is basically setting up your payment methods. All right, so here you just need to click on the settings at the bottom left hand corner of your screen, then go to payments, and here you can basically manage your payment providers. You can change your payment methods. You can click on add payment method here. So you can search by payment method or search by provider. So make sure that you set up your payment method correctly. So that's all. That's how you basically create a Shopify store for free for beginners. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.